Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Motivation is Blessing. Today we will discuss the habits of the successful peoples. You know, the successful people are those who have achieved their goals and now they are known as successful peoples. They have achieved what they have decided. When we study the stories and events of successful people, we find that they follow such common habits and follow such common rules due to which they achieve their goals. The main points or the main habits: goal setting, persistent, continuous learning, time management, discipline, networking, positive mindset, taking calculated risk, adaptability, and working life balanced. These are the main points which the successful people always follow to achieve their goals in the life. First of all, we will discuss the goal setting. Successful people set clear, specific, and achievable goals. They break down their objectives into smaller and manageable tasks and work on them and create actions and plan and accomplish that task. The second thing is persistence. Persistence means they possess a high level of persistence and determination. They understand that and setbacks and failures are part of their journey and use them as learning opportunities. So they always become stronger to get their targets. Continuous learning. Successful peoples and individuals are valid learners. They never stop seeking knowledge and are open to new ideas and perspectives. They read books, attend seminars, take courses, and constantly seek self improvement. Time management. Time management is the main habit the successful peoples follow. Effective time management is crucial for success. Successful people prioritize tasks, delegates when necessary, and eliminates distractions. They understand the value of time and make most of it. Discipline and routine. They establish disciplined routines and stick to them. They develop daily habits that support their goals, such as waking early, exercising, regularity, meditating, and dedicating specific blocks of their lifetimes, and work on important tasks. Networking. Building nurturing relationship is important for successful people. Successful people understand the value of networking and actively seek opportunities to connect with others in their fields. They attend conferences, join professional organizations, and maintain a strong network. Positive mindset. Maintaining a positive mindset is essential for success. Success individuals focus possibilities rather than limitations, practice gratitude, and surround themselves with positive influences. They believe in their abilities and remain optimistic even in challenging times. Taking calculated risks. Successful people are not afraid to take risks. However, they evaluate risk carefully, conduct thorough research, and make informed decisions. They understand that calculated risk can lead to significant opportunities for growth and success. Adaptability. They embrace change and remain adaptable in dynamic world. They are open to new ideas, technologies, market trends. Successful individuals constantly evolve and adjust their strategies to stay ahead. Work-life balance. They recognize the importance of maintaining healthy work-life balance. They prioritize self-care, spend quality times with loved ones, and pursue hobbies and interests outside of the work. They understand that well-rounded life contributes to overall success and happiness. Remember that while these habits are common found in successful individuals, but each and every person has their own goals, so they follow their own tracks. So, for being or becoming a successful person, we should follow and these habits in our lives. We hope so that these information bring a great information for in your life. Please follow and subscribe my channel so that I will be motivated to bring more videos for you and for those who are now disappointed and will be well motivated for next their goals. Thank you.